As was said by Julius Caesar in 049 BC, that we have crossed the Rubicon. We have reached a point of no return. And I want to tell whoever it is out there, before you kill Raila Amolo Odinga, you kill us all. You must first kill us all and pass with us. I have heard some people talking everywhere. Kawan gamolo dua luorango, uodua mapinjo luoro, makata gachieta temo wire to donge no chamo wange. Before you arrest Raila Amolo Odinga, you must build a prison big enough to arrest the rest of us Kenyans and put them there first before Raila Odinga can walk in there. We have reached a point of no return, Joturwa. Kanga to dua mulag molo wodo dinga. Wa uoko ko wate. Koa ugwe nyaka imbo. Ngeyo ni jogi padi berberi ma de kuesi. Mama Martha, they think it is Berber you can take a kwesi. Because for the last couple of days, they think they have been blocking you left, right, and center. Come Monday,